As a project management expert, I understand that seamless communication is the lifeblood of any successful project. Without clear and timely updates, tasks can fall through the cracks, deadlines can be missed, and overall team collaboration suffers. In this context, one common question that arises among teams adopting project management software like Wrike is, can Wrike send emails? The short answer is yes, Wrike absolutely can send emails. However, like any powerful tool, understanding how Wrike utilizes email and its various functionalities is crucial to leveraging it effectively for your project workflows. This video will delve into the email capabilities of Wrike, explaining its different facets in simple, easy-to-understand language, perfect for those new to project management tools or looking to enhance their Wrike utilization for educational purposes. Beyond basic notifications, the email ecosystem in Wrike. Wrike's email functionality goes far beyond simply sending basic notifications. It's intricately woven into the platform to facilitate communication, keep stakeholders informed, and streamline project updates. Think of it as a multi-layered system designed to ensure the right information reaches the right people at the right time. Here's a breakdown of the key ways Wrike utilizes email. 1. Automated notifications, keeping everyone in the loop. At its core, Wrike uses email to send automated notifications based on various triggers within the platform. These notifications are designed to keep team members and stakeholders informed about critical project activities without requiring them to constantly monitor the Wrike interface. Common examples include task assignments. When a user is assigned to a new task or subtask, Wrike automatically sends an email notification informing them of their responsibility, the task name, due date, and a direct link to the task within Wrike. This ensures immediate awareness and accountability. Due date reminders. To prevent missed deadlines, Wrike can send automated reminders as task due dates approach. These reminders can be customized in terms of timing, e.g., 1 day before, 3 days before, and can be sent to assignees and followers of the task. Status changes. When the status of a task changes, e.g., from to do to in progress or completed, Wrike can send notifications to relevant team members and stakeholders who are following the task. This provides real-time visibility into project progress. Comments and mentions. When a team member adds a comment to a task or mentions another user using the @ symbol, Wrike sends an email notification to the mentioned user, ensuring they don't miss important discussions or requests for their input. Task creation and deletion. Notifications can also be triggered when new tasks or subtasks are created within a project or when tasks are deleted. This helps maintain transparency about project scope and changes. Project updates. For broader project-level updates, Wrike can send notifications when a project status changes or when significant milestones are reached. This keeps stakeholders informed about the overall progress. Why are these automated notifications important? Reduced manual communication. They minimize the need for project managers to manually send individual emails for every update, saving significant time and effort. Improved awareness. They ensure that team members are promptly informed about their responsibilities and project developments, reducing the risk of overlooked information. Enhanced accountability. By automatically notifying assignees of their tasks and deadlines, Wrike fosters a sense of accountability within the team. Streamlined workflow. These notifications seamlessly integrate into the project workflow, ensuring that communication is a natural part of the process. 2. Direct communication. Engaging in conversations within tasks. While automated notifications are crucial for updates, Wrike also facilitates direct communication through its commenting feature. When a user adds a comment to a task, the system sends an email notification to all followers of that task, including the assignee and any other interested parties. This allows for focused discussions directly within the context of the task itself, keeping all relevant communication centralized. Key benefits of task-based email notifications for comments. Contextual communication. Discussions remain tied to the specific task they relate to, preventing information from getting lost in general email inboxes. Centralized information. All communication regarding a task is stored within the task itself, providing a clear and easily accessible history of discussions and decisions. Improved collaboration. It enables seamless collaboration and feedback exchange among team members working on the same task. 3. Customization and control, tailoring notifications to your needs. Wrike understands that not all users need to receive every single notification. Therefore, it offers robust customization options to allow individuals to control the types and frequency of email notifications they receive. Users can typically adjust their notification settings to choose specific events, select which events trigger email notifications, e.g., only receive notifications for task assignments and mentions, set frequency, determine how often they receive email summaries or individual notifications, exclude specific projects or folders, opt out of notifications for projects or folders that are less relevant to their direct responsibilities. Why is notification customization important? Reduced email overload. It helps users avoid being overwhelmed by excessive emails, ensuring they only receive information that is truly relevant to their work. Increased focus. By filtering out unnecessary notifications, team members can stay more focused on their primary tasks. Personalized experience. It allows users to tailor their Wrike experience to their individual communication preferences. 4. Integration with email clients, bridging the gap. While Wrike has its own internal communication system, it also recognizes the importance of integrating with traditional email clients. This is primarily achieved through the email notifications themselves, which provide direct links back to the relevant items within Wrike. This allows users to quickly access the context of the notification and take necessary actions within the platform. Limitations: what Wrike email is not. It's important to clarify what Wrike's email functionality is not. It's not a full-fledged email client. You cannot compose and send general emails to individuals outside of the Wrike platform directly from within Wrike. Its email capabilities are primarily focused on notifications and updates related to project activities within the system. It doesn't support rich text formatting in outgoing notifications. While comments within Wrike can support some formatting, the email notifications themselves are typically plain text or basic HTML. It's not designed for extensive external communication. While stakeholders can receive notifications, Wrike isn't intended to be the primary tool for detailed email correspondence with clients or external partners. Best practices for utilizing Wrike's email capabilities effectively. To maximize the benefits of Wrike's email functionality, consider these best practices. Encourage users to customize their notifications. Educate your team on how to adjust their notification settings to ensure they receive relevant updates without feeling overwhelmed.